At least 7 children have tragically lost their lives due to suspected drug poisoning linked to cough syrup. The latest victim, 4-year-old Vikas Yadavanshi from Chhindwara, succumbed to kidney failure this week. Many other children are still undergoing treatment for similar symptoms. These children, aged between 1 and 7, initially showed mild cold symptoms. They were prescribed cough syrup, which seemed to help at first, but soon they stopped urinating and developed severe kidney infections. Lab tests revealed diethylene glycol, a toxic chemical found in some cough syrups. This chemical has been linked to over 300 deaths in countries like the Gambia and Indonesia. It's often used illegally as a cheaper alternative in medicines. In response, Indian health authorities have banned Coldrif and Nextro-DS cough syrups. They're also going door to door to collect medicine samples to investigate further.